शिवोले आणि साळगाव या वाठारांनी रेस्टॉरंट धनी आणि आदल्या सरपंचाचे घर फोडून 15 लाखांचो मालवाद चोरिल्ल्या प्रकरणाचो तपास लावपाक पुलिसांक येस आयला। घर फोडीतले बिहारी टोळयेंतल्या 5 जाणांक अटक केल्या। गोंया सयत दिल्ली आणि बिहारात दुबावितांक अटक केल्यात। दुबावितांमदीं शिवोलेंतल्या एका नामनेच्या रेस्टॉरंटाच्या कामगाराचो तितून आस्पाव आसा। दुबावितान आपल्याच धनयाच्या घरांत चोरी केल्ली। अटक केल्ल्या दुबावितांमदीं मिथुन कुमार परिहार रावपी बिहारचो, अरुण कुमार तंती रावपी आसगांव आणि मूळ बिहार, परम उपेंद्र चोडणकार रावपी बांदे आसगांव, सुंदर फजलू खान रावपी बिहार आणि शेख राजू रावपी बिहार हांचो आस्पाव आसा। सुंदर खान हाका बिहारांतल्यान जाल्यार शेख राजू हांकां दिल्लींतल्यान पुलिसांन धरून अटक केला। जाल्यार उरिल्ल्या तिगांक गोंयांत धरून अटक केली अशी माहिती उत्तर गोंय पुलीस अधीक्षक शोभीत सक्सेनान दिल्या।
So as of now we have arrested persons who have given information to the accused persons, who have assisted in surveilling or wrecking those places, and also the accused persons who have actually broken into the houses. Upon their interrogation recently, we have also identified 2 more persons who may be involved. So there is a further search for those 2 persons also being carried out, and we are positive we will be able to get those 2 persons also. There has been good recovery in the case. We have recovered jewelry items, we have recovered antique pieces, we have also recovered some electronic items, and we have recovered some euros. So these are all those items which were mentioned in the during the initial investigation of the case, which have been suitably linked, which have linked the accused persons to the case. So we have a very strong case. It was excellent work by the team of PI Prashal, SDPO Dalvi, SDPO Karpe, and also PI Sachin Lokre. They have worked throughout the last 2 months dedicatedly on this case, especially one PC who has gone through all the evidence. His name is Rupesh Asgaonkar. He has done tremendous job in the case, and the teams also did an excellent job by going to far off places in West Bengal and in Bihar. PSI Atikesh, PSI Viraj Korgaonkar, they have led the teams who have gone out of station. So it was a all-round good, very good effort by North Goa district.